So the video you're about to watch blows my mind every single time I watch it. In 2012, a stunt guy named Felix Baumgartner decided to skydive. But he decided to make it a little bit more interesting, and he jumped out of a little pod in the stratosphere. It broke a world record because no one has ever jumped that high before. Now, when you watch the video, it's going to look like he is legit in outer space. But keep in mind, it's still within the Earth's atmosphere. It's the stratosphere, the second layer. So, he fell 24 miles above the Earth, and he was in the air for about 10 minutes in free fall, and he was going about 830 miles per hour, and he did break the sound barrier. Now, while you're watching the video, you'll see that he starts to tumble head over heels, and it's because at that point he had passed out because of the general movement and the speed at which he was falling. He does regain consciousness and is able to open his parachute and be okay. But I want to know what you think about this. Is this something that you would be willing to do? There is no way I would do this, not even for $1 million. So let me know what you guys think.